Verydarkman give person hand job. Not be the same man me and you take share cola for front of your papa grave. You like, I give you. You chop. You know chop cola with the same hand. Did you not eat cola with that hand? Did you not eat cola with that hand? Bunch of hypocrites, tribal bigots. That's what he is. Now let's go back to Seun and Showore. Inside the room, what do you say about the same Showore? When you come out, now can they talk about? What do you say about him? You, Seun, you don't talk him before. Say Showore, they go do protests because in they get international funding. You don't talk him before. Say Showore, they do protests to get international funding. You have said it. It's not as if Verydarkman, they talk with you, you don't know. You know. You know. You know. You don't even believe in the Showore. Why did you go and, if you believe Showore, why you go do MOP? The party where Fela open, where they give you. Why did you go and stabilize it? Why did you go and politicize it 100%? Why didn't you say, come, let us join heads together and just join this AAC? You also did not believe in him. You also saw his movement as a fraudulent one. Come on. No do as if we don't know what they happen now. All of us know what they talk about. Do you understand? All of us know exactly what they talk about. Since when are they come to you? What would I say I have gained as a person? Not money, because I don't give a fuck about money. I'm not broke. Seun Kuti himself. One of the problems I had with him was why I know feel 100% associate myself with him all this period was the fact that Seun is a tribalistic person, and this is why I no really give her my 100. You know, when somebody is portraying something outside and you don't deal with the person for inside, you don't see the way the person they think, you go there very, very disappointed, but you know we won't really talk much. Do you understand? That's him. When you hear them, they talk about, let's say, Igbos now. Yes, when they talk about Igbos, you go to wonder if this person is a human being. Do you understand? And somebody like me will not associate myself with people that have this kind of mindset. But you come to me and claim that you want Nigeria to grow. But when we dey inside one setting, you go to talk about some other tribes in a very disgusting way. Do you understand? And I cannot associate myself with that type of people. Do you understand? You sit down, you criticize, you sit down, you criticize. Why? Okay, this Tinubu government, you are not vocal. Why are you not vocal? Tinubu used to be your neighbor when you people were growing up. Your uncle and Tinubu, all of them did together. Your uncle and Tinubu did together. Tinubu be like grandfather to you. He be like godfather to you. I be like father to you. Do you understand? Me and you don't decide the kind settings. Do you understand? Me and you don't do the kind settings. You don't talk out that they, during the time of military regime, how did they give you one or two things, make you go do so that everywhere go bust. You don't talk all those things before. That's why you cannot even talk against the Tinubu government. You go always look for way to shift. You go always look for way to shift. You go always look for way to shift. You can't even talk about them because these are also your people. You know vocally now you go to talk anyhow, you go to talk like person where we say, I know you know the kind of thing where you know what they won't pay me to open my mouth. Call the insult and say they do me some, they cringe me. Because this not guy man where we say, come on now. They don't want now. He get Verydarkman secret. He get Verydarkman secret. Verydarkman give person hand job. Not be the same man me and you take share cola for front of your papa grave. You like, I give you. You chop. You know chop cola with the same hand. Did you not eat cola with that hand? Did you not eat cola with that hand? Bunch of hypocrites, tribal bigots. That's what he is. Like I said, you come meet me. This right Mona carry on herself. Seun, I will tell you today, the main reason why I cannot join you or associate myself with you is simple. It's because you are too tribalistic. It's because if the people are not from Yorubas, you believe that they are the problems. Seun, you don't love no other tribe than yourself. I have to be careful around people like you. Do you understand? You want a better Nigeria without the Igbos in it. That one is standard. You see that one? That one is standard. You want a good Nigeria, but no Igbos should exist. That's the kind of Nigeria you want. You all of that, the claim saying I want Nigeria. That's the kind of Nigeria that you want. You don't want no Igbos in your Nigeria. Do you want Igbos in your Nigeria? Come out and tell them how you feel about the Igbos. Tell them how you feel about the Igbos. Tell them how you feel about the Igbos. Even the show, right? Forget all that rubbish where they go do in the Khalid. Those were all cloud chasing bullshit. Let him tell you how he feels about the Igbos. All of them are a bunch of the same people. These guys sitting on that intellect, tribal bigot, haters. And you want me to carry myself, come follow you, say, me and you want to do the same thing. So that tomorrow I'll come carry camera, come to say, Igbo, come on, get out. Get out. I say, ask him, not be say person won't whine anybody. Ask him, how does he feel? You cannot want Nigeria and have the kind of mindset that you have. That is why every day you are declining. Anyways, the Rattle movement, we are not politicizing shit. Do you understand? We are not politicizing shit. When the time comes, we'll know what to do. But for now, I am not joining with no nonsense MOP. I'm not joining with no nonsense AAC. Now, to the people that are in the AAC, maybe you people are good believers. There's no problem, right? People might be believers. But one thing I know about, the shower himself knows exactly what he's doing. Somebody where they say he gets structure. You say you and Alex Kuti get problem. You say you get structure, you carry Doris Ogala. Make Doris Ogala go be governor. Oh, God. That is to tell you what these people are all about. That is to tell you what these people are all about. So you go challenge Alex Oti. Say Alex Oti know the work. You challenge Alex Oti, say Alex Oti know the work. Say Alex Oti na this. You smear the man, you slander him. I was expecting you to bring Jesus Christ. You go carry Doris Ogala. Make you go pursue Alex. No offense, oh. No disrespect to Doris. There's no disrespect to Doris. But you brought Doris Ogala to room. Nah, man. You people are a bigger clown than you think you are. Showore is a bigger clown than you think he is. They are all bigger clowns than they think they are. And you tell me these same people are ready to change Nigeria. When you carry Doris Ogala, make you go replace Alex Oti. We're all in people. As of today, like this. If I talk this one, plenty people will cry, make I leave her. As of today, Alex Oti might be the #1 for the whole region. Where they come for the whole governors for this country. And you carry Doris, make it go. Then you tell me that Showore knows what he's doing. Now this same Showore you say make I go join. Where we say out of sentiment, based on say okay, Alex Oti, 2 of them get small issue. He carry he won't water down the man. That is why I carry. Now that kind of person you say make I join. I want in the life. Make I go join them.
Okay. Unu nụrụ ihe Verydarkblackman kwuru na vidio. But video I want to ask you something. When Seun is discussing something about Igbo people with you, maybe he's talking about Igbo people, whether in a positive way or in a negative way, what was your response to him? Do you understand me? Kedu ife unu na-akpa ịghọtago iji wee chọpụta na ọ bụ a tribal bigot? What did he told you, and what are your response to him? Do you understand me? God is very important na ịchụakịta ịgwara anyị na ọ na-ekwu okwu ọjọọ concerning Igbo. Ịgwakwa anyị ihe ịgwara ya oge o kwuru okwu ahụ. Ịghọtago? Ọ dị very important. Ihe nwe Igbo nwere ife nchọrọ ịgwa na this country mụ na gị na-abụ nọ. Ghọta that na o nwere ka obodo anọ bụ Nigeria si wee dị. Ma gị nwa bụ onye Igbo, ma gị bụ onye Yoruba, ma gị nwa bụ onye ugwu. Many of us alọvụrụ onwe anyị. ịghọtago. Ndị Benin alọbụla ya, ịnwe alọbụkwuru ndị Benin. Ndị Yoruba alọbụla ya, ya alọbụrụ ndị Yoruba. Ndị ugwu alọbụla ya, ya alọbụkwuru ndị ugwu. Anyị nọ ka ebe afọ kọtara anyị nche niile ọnụ, anyị na-ama na-eju onwe anyị na-anagide some certain things. O nwere nke ndị Yoruba na-anagidere anyị, nwekwe nke anyị na-anagidere fa. Etu akwa ka ọ dị na every tribe niile nọ na this country. Mana ụdị okwu a kịta Verydarkman kwupụta, iwere ile gị gụọ eze gị ọnụ, mara amara na Verydarkman na Seun bụ otu individual nwere onwe fa issue, so allow them to deal with their issue. Si ha involve na anyị n'ife gbasara anything concerning individual issues dịrị mmadụ na-abụ, whether na one individual onwe ha etiri anyị, he pays no attention to all these things, because abịa na ọnụ Igbo, o nwekwara individual nọ n'ala Igbo alaikere ndị Yoruba. Etu a ka ọ dị vice versa. Ọ mkpụrụ our ancestors kụnyechara anyị ncha niile n'ime, ma ndị Yoruba ma ndị Igbo ma ndị ugwu. Do you understand what I'm saying? So mara amara that n'ife a kịta bụ issue dịrị Verydarkman na Seun, because ọ bụrụ na Verydarkman na Seun adịghị enwe problem today, yala anụ ụdị okwu a, onye ha anụ ka Verydarkman ya ekwu ụdị okwu a. Ndị ghọta na ife anụ na-agwa gị, so lapụkwa fa na abụ. Ama m ife fa kpọrọ Igbo si Igbo asịrị ọbara n'ife fa na-ekwuru onwe fa. Ya abụkwa uche m ka m kwuru. Ndị Igbo si na uche onye adịghị njọ, onye na uche ya uche abụ n'ofu. Na-ege m ntị. So whether Seun alọvụrụ anyị or hatiri anyị, lapịa ya dịrị ya. Dịkwana drag by Seun na ịnụrụ from Verydarkman, because ịma na ọ naghị afịa ahụ fịaba ahụ. Tension na kịta akwado ji nwayọ, tension ji nwayọ na-apụta na Nigeria concerning 2027 election. Ọ ụdị tribal issue anụnwa bụ ife ndị politicians si anyị ji were eme mpụ na arụrụ ala fa na-eme na this country. But after the election, fancha niile abịakwa bụrụ ofu. Mụ na gị na-aba nọrụkwa na-abụ onwe anyị wụ ekenekwenu m unu. Ndị Igbo si that na ọ ya agba agwọ na-abụ ya na-aya arịrị okwu. Ịghọtago? Anya afụ na azụ na mmiri, maka ofu azụ na mmiri ọ bụrụ ihe ofe. Do you understand? Na ọbụ ka ide ji awa ana, ile ọma ka ejune ji aga n'ogwu. Nwunye Igbo, ifo Nigeria, mụ na gị na-abụ niile otherwise. Don't allow anybody ịchịkọ anyị niile isi ọnụ with another people. Ebe mụnwa na-aga, lapụ VDM na Seun fa solve all their problem dị relevant. Na-aghọta na? Emesịa.